Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another Mini Macaron swatch and review video for you, and this one is the Soho Collection, which is the fall and winter collection for 2020, and it features 3 brand new gel polish shades that are inspired by the Soho neighborhood in London. The 3 polishes in this collection are Smoky Matcha, Rose Brandy, and Golden Glow, and as always, just like their other gel polishes, they're all 9-free, vegan, and cruelty-free, and they all have a 3-in-1 formula which combines a base coat, color coat, and top coat. These gel polishes cure in 30 seconds with their Macaron LED lamps, and today I'm going to be using the black lamp from the Licorice Gel Manicure Kit. I just filmed a full video on the kit, so if you want to see that, then you can click the card that's in the corner of your screen or the link in the description box below. Anyways, let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. The first shade is called Smoky Matcha, and this is a moss green gel polish. This shade is a little bit sheer on the first coat, but I made sure to apply a very thin layer because I want to make sure that it cures properly and evenly in the LED lamp. Then I cured it in my licorice LED lamp for 30 seconds. For the second coat, I applied another thin layer, so it was still a little bit sheer and I could see a little bit of my nail line peeking through, but if you applied a thicker coat, I think you could totally get away with just 2 coats. I cured it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds again, and then applied one final coat. In terms of color, I love this mossy green shade. I don't have anything like it, so I think I'll be wearing this a lot during the fall. So here are 3 coats of Smoky Matcha. The next shade is called Rose Brandy, and this is another perfect fall shade for me. It is a terracotta red shade, and again, it's a little bit sheer on the first coat because I applied a super thin layer, but it built up really nicely in 2 coats. Then I cured it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I applied a slightly thicker second coat, and it was completely opaque. So here are 2 coats of Rose Brandy. The third and final shade in the Soho collection totally reminds me of the holidays. This one is called Golden Glow, and it's a shimmery metallic gold gel polish. This one is more of a yellowy gold shade, and compared to the previous 2 polishes, it is a little less sheer after 1 coat, but still not opaque just yet. But after 2 coats, I think the shimmers in the polish really help reflect the light really nicely and hide the nail line, and I can totally see this shade being perfect for the holidays and the new year. So here are 2 coats of Golden Glow. So here's one more look at Smoky Matcha, Rose Brandy, and Golden Glow from the Soho collection. They're all available on the Mini Macaron website, and they retail for $11.99 USD each, but remember you can get 10% off with my code caramellogram10. So that's all for today's swatch video. Let me know which one is your favorite shade from the Soho collection by leaving me a comment down below. And if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe. And if you want to check out some of my other Mini Macaron videos, you can click the link on your screen or in the description box below. But anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!